dear students, we saw meaning and formation. Next is layers of the soil. In layers of the soil, we have topsoil, subsoil, substratum and bedrock. For example, at the topsoil, we have grass roots, okay, and one plant as well. You think like a flower plant. So this is the topsoil which I am telling. This is a grass. This is a plant. This is a grass part. ಇದು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಗಿಡ. Suppose if you consider this will the as the soil. ಇದು ಮಣ್ಣು, ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಣ್ಣು. ಮಣ್ಣು ಮೇಲೆ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. So the part of the soil which the plant has been grown, that is the topsoil. Next to that we have subsoil. This is will be the topsoil. Below that we have at a certain level we have what? Subsoil. Again below that we have substratum. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪದರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. And we have bedrock at the last. First we have topsoil. Next we have below that subsoil. Subsoil ಕೆಳಗಡೆ substratum. Next we have bedrock. Then what does this topsoil consist? These are the layers of the soil. ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಒಂದು ಪದರಗಳು. Topsoil, subsoil, substratum and bedrock. Topsoil. It is formed by very fine particles of the rock, clay, silt and sand. Silt and sand. Silt will be formed by what? As the passage of the river waters. Okay. Along with the river waters, this silt will be passed on by the river flow of the river waters. It is going to settle at certain water place. So this topsoil will consist of what? Rock, clay, silt and sand. And humus is also found in the topsoil only. Where? Humus. Humus is also present in the topsoil, and that is decomposition of the dead decay of the organic matter. Next we plant the seeds in this layer. So if you want to grow some crops or plants, we are going to begin from this topsoil level only. This layer only. This layer only. And it is soft and porous. Soft ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ನುಣುಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ನೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನುಣುಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Porous means as this is a loose soil, if you pour the water, it is going to suck. It is going to suck the water easily. Porous means it will have a holes into that. ರಂಧ್ರಗಳೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Where? Topsoil. Next is subsoil. It is present below the topsoil. Next to the topsoil we have subsoil. It is made up of weathered rock. Weathered rock means when due to the break of the weathering, the rocks going to break down into smaller. And it consists of rock, clay, silt and some nutrients which are required for the growing of the plants or the crops. Then rainwater gets collected in this layer of the soil. So when the rain falls, the water is going to get absorbed in this layer only. On the topsoil, the rain going to fall. So this water will be absorbed by which layer? The subsoil layer. And it is hard and compact, and the roots of a few big plants can reach into this layer. Big plants which are being grown, that kind of plants can absorb this water and this layer, where roots of that kind big plants or the trees, that is under the subsoil. Next is stratum, substratum. Substratum is a layer of the soil which will be present and consists of weathered rocks. It consists of weathered rocks. Weathered rocks is nothing but what? Due to breaking of rocks into smaller. Next is bedrock. It is found below the substratum, next to the substratum, and it is very harder one which will be present next to the substratum, which consists of unweathered parent rock. Original parent rock. It is not a weathered rock. It is a unweathered parent rock. Dear students, in the next class we are going to learn about types of soil. Please go through the video. Thank you.